Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I got this look, this eyeshadow, and basically this entire look in general, featuring this month's Boxycharm. This is my December 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. If you want to see how I got this look and the products that I received in this month's box, and if I like them or not, definitely go ahead and keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you love these Boxycharm unboxings so I know to continue filming them for you guys. That's all I have for you today, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So starting off, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. So in this month's Boxycharm, I did receive a brow product, and this is from the brand Brow Bar, and this is their brow makeover kit. Just looks like this, and it looks like it comes with a little mini brow gel, 2 powders, and then a cream, I guess, to like outline the brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I'm normally a pomade person. I don't ever really use powders, so I'm kind of curious to see how this works. And as you can tell, my brows are pretty sparse. I don't really have a lot of hairs, so I'm curious to see how well this is gonna actually adhere to them. So we'll see. I'm gonna start off with the lighter of the 2 brow colors first and see just how pigmented it is. I switched to the darker one because the light one was a little bit too light for me, actually. Even though I do normally prefer like a lighter brow as opposed to like a super heavy, like thick brow. I'm definitely noticing that this has more of like a reddish, like warm tone tint to it as well, so don't know how I feel about that. It's actually doing a really nice job though. Like, I didn't think that it would really like stick to my hairs that well because it's a powder, but it's actually doing a really nice job so far. One thing I do notice about this little brow kit is that it doesn't come with a spoolie, so I'm just going to use one of my own just to kind of evenly distribute the product a little bit more throughout the hairs, and so it's not so like clumpy looking. For this brow gel, I normally, oh yeah, this is definitely like a colored brow gel. I normally do prefer like a clear brow gel. You guys, if you ever seen any of my past videos, my e.l.f. clear brow gel is like my go-to. It's only like $3 and it does an amazing job. But let me go ahead and see how this one from Brow Bar works. This is what the one looks like. I feel like it's just a little bit too big, at least for like my brows, and like the shape of my brows are not that like big. So I would prefer if it was a little bit smaller. Let me go ahead and dip into this like cream shade in the brow palette and see how well that does at underlining and outlining my brows. Definitely has a very creamy consistency, more of like a waxy feel, but it's definitely doing a good job. I like the color of it too. It's like more of a yellowy tone, which matches my undertone really nicely. It's definitely not my best, but I do think the brows look pretty good so far. So moving on to eyeshadow, of course I did receive an eyeshadow palette in this month's Boxy because, you know, it wouldn't be Boxycharm without some eyeshadow. And this one is from Storybook Cosmetics. And I want to say I've heard of this brand before. I want to say they're the ones that created that like Mean Girls palette that went viral a little while ago. This is, I guess, like they're doing a fairy tale collection, and they have like multiple palettes for each of the fairy tales. This one I got is Robin Hood. Packaging is really, really cute. It's definitely pretty bulky. As you can see, they obviously intended it to be more like an actual book, but you know, I mean, I get where they were going with it, but I do think it's a bit unnecessary. I do love the big mirror that it has though on this side. I think that's awesome. And this is what all of these shadows look like. I'm really happy I got this one. There was another one that they were doing, which I want to say was Robin Hood, and it was like red tones, but I just have way too many warm tone eyeshadow palettes, so I was really happy that I received this one instead. So starting off, I'm going to go in with the shade Nottingham, which is this like neutral, like a light brown tan shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that into my crease. Oh, and after I went ahead and finished up those brows and underlined it with that cream shade that came in that brow kit, I did go ahead and take my LA Girl concealer. It was like the color correcting one, it's a yellow one, and I just use that as like my eye primer, basically like my base, to go ahead and conceal all my veins. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Merry Men, which is this matte green shadow. Now to further blend that out, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cuber? I don't actually know how to pronounce this word. Let me show you which one it is. It's that one right here. Cuber. I don't know. It's yellow. It's a matte yellow shade. That's all I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this green out a little bit more up into the upper crease area. I'm gonna go in with this super deep matte brown shade, almost like a blackish brown. It's really, really dark, and it's called Forest. And I'm just going to pack this onto like the outer third of my eye. So I just went ahead and did a little bit more blending, and I'm attempting to do another cut crease. So for the main part of the lid, I'm going to go in with this metallic gold shade right there. I just went ahead and further blended it out a little bit and used the green and the dark forest shade, and now I'm going to go off camera really fast just so I can clean this up a little bit on the outer edges with some makeup remover, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll come back and we can finish up the rest of the face. I'm back now and moving on to the face. So the next product that I received in my Boxycharm this month was actually part of their choice section. So you got to choose between this and I forget the brand, but it's some type of like face oil. Anyway, I chose this is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Packaging is like the cutest ever. I love the frosted pink. Look at the cap too. Even the cap is like adorable. It's like holographic water droplets. So basically this is a moisturizer and it retails for $39 and it's supposedly an anti-aging water cream. I love moisturizers. I love moisturizers, like moisture creams, eye creams, all that stuff. So I'm really excited. Oh my god. There's no scent. The cream looks really, I don't know. I was almost gonna say the cream looks cute, but I don't know. It's like this weird like jelly looking thing. I don't know. I love it. It's clear. Let me go ahead and put this on my face. Ooh, it's like cold. Probably because it's cold in my room, but I love it. I haven't even like really tried it. I'm just like, oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. I need to chill. Ooh, it definitely has like this weird like jelly feel. It almost feels like I'm putting like aloe on. Feels nice. So let's go ahead and see how it works with makeup on top. For foundation today, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Dewy Smooth Foundation, and this one I have in 210 Sandy Beige. I just hate putting foundation on the back of my hands. I don't know why. Using a little Tarte Shape Tape to conceal my under eyes. So one thing I'm noticing is that I can still feel the moisturizer on my face. Even after I put on like all this makeup, I definitely like feel stuff on my face, which can kind of bother me sometimes. Again, I definitely put on way too much. Like I should not have gone in that heavy-handed with it. And I probably should have given it a couple minutes to like seep into my skin before I went straight over top with the makeup. But yeah, that's one thing. Those are two things actually that I would do differently next time, because right now I can definitely like feel it on my face. My skin looks awesome. Like my skin looks really flawless right now, and I didn't even put on a primer. I just went straight into foundation and it looks good right now. So I'm happy with that, and everything's blending on top nicely. And my powder is looking good. It's not patchy. Isn't my coffee mug so cute? It says wake up and makeup. I want to say I got this at like Marshall's, TJ Maxx? Maybe Marshall's. One of the two, like a couple years ago, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. This is just like a little mini sample of the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer that I have. And I'm just going to do a quick little like bronze contour situation on my cheeks. Okay, so the next and final makeup product that I received in my Boxycharm box this month is from Ciate London. And this is their Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, because it's from London. They call it blusher. First of all, again, packaging is super cute. It's like this nice light mirrored effect. And this one I have is in the shade Dusk. I'm sorry, not Dust, Dusk. And this is what it looks like. Again, it just, as the name says, it's a marbled blush. It's got like a really pinky rosy tone to it, so I think it's going to go really nice with like the green in this eyeshadow look. And I'm going to be using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH06 blush brush, and as you can tell, it is clean. I did wash it, so this is just entirely this product on it right now. No idea how pigmented this is going to be. Oh, it's pigmented. You can see her. Hi. Hello. So cute. Is there shimmer in it? No. Okay, so it's not a shimmery blush. It's definitely more of a matte, but I like it. I like the color a lot. It's not like an overwhelming pink tone. It's more of like a berry tone pink, which is really flattering. and it's not too overpowering. Like, you can definitely still build it up, but even like on the first couple of swipes, I could see the pigment coming through. Oh my god, I love it! This is cute. This is a good one. And this retails for $26. I love loose powders. This didn't come in my Boxycharm, by the way. I'm just like going through the rest of my makeup. But anyway, I love loose powders. I feel like they definitely like changed the game for me as far as like baking goes. But one thing is that they get hella messy. Like, every single time I open up one of my loose powders, it's like an explosion of like powder everywhere, and it's just like unavoidable. And it sucks because it's so messy. Also, I feel like I'm like wasting product every time that happens too. I'm like, no. I'm just like watching money fall on the floor. Not that Maybelline's expensive. Like, this was only like $8, but that's why I buy the drugstore ones, because if I had a high-end one, I would literally be dipping my sponge like in the product that would fall on like the table or something to use it, because that can be expensive. Enough, right? That's enough. We don't need to do like a serious bake today. I'm not going anywhere. Like, this is the thing. Like, I get so glam on like a random Tuesday, and like I'm not going anywhere. Like, I'm not doing anything today. This is what I do on my day off. I beat my face for no reason. Anyway, okay, so while that sits, I'm gonna move on to highlights. What highlight do I want to use? Oh, I'm gonna use one that I've gotten in a previous Boxycharm, because why not? I think this was in October's. Could have been November's. I don't know. I don't remember which one it was from, but it's one of the previous Boxycharms, and this is Laura Geller's highlight in Ballerina. Such a nice highlight. This is what I do when I can't find stuff. I'm just like looking around and just like tapping my nails like a little crab, like, until I find it. Now to finally wrap up this eye look, I'm gonna go back into the shade Merryman. Oh my god. I just like swiped my eyeball with the brush. I didn't even get my lower lash, just went right in my eye. To finish off the lips, I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip pencil, and this one's in the shade Nude Pink. And then for lipstick, this is from Morphe, and this is one of their cream liquid, oh my god. I want to say everything's a liquid lip. It's not, it's a regular lipstick. And this one is in Flirt. It's just a basic nude lip, and it looks like that. So there you have it, guys. This is the final look that I've created with this month's Boxycharm. Oh, I almost forgot I had one more product. This is from the brand Aesthetica, and this is their brush cleanser and conditioner, and this retails for $12. I actually used this the other night to clean off some of my eye brushes that I planned on using for today's look, and it did a really good job. It's just like a clear cleanse. Oh no. It does have a scent. It smells minty, but yeah, that just like came out everywhere. I should not have opened that. Oops. It's kind of like a standard brush cleanser, but it did a really good job and I liked it. So that was a win for me. Overall, this was a great box this month. I don't think there was one product that I was actually like mad about. The eye look actually came out pretty good. I don't know how often I will use that palette in general just because of like the bulkiness of it. I don't wear green every day, but the gold is stunning. Like, I'm obsessed with the way that the gold looks on my eyes. That's a really pretty shade. So I do like it overall. I'm really impressed with all of the brands that I tried. I never tried anything from these brands. So I love that about Boxycharm. Like, every single month I'm trying something new from a new brand and I'm impressed. So I really like this month's box. If you guys like this video, if you like my Boxycharm videos, please give it a big thumbs up for me so I know to continue filming them. And that's all I have for you today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!